AI technology is rapidly booming in today's world. Whether it is Google, Microsoft, Meta, or any other business tycoon, everyone is taking advantage of it. Today, we are here to share an exciting piece of information with you all. Hello everyone, welcome back to Propel Guru's YouTube channel. You will be amazed to know that Microsoft has just announced Microsoft 365 Copilot. Well, you might be wondering with the question of what it is. Let us tell you in this video. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI tool that works with Microsoft Office applications such as Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. As Microsoft introduces, Microsoft 365 Copilot turns your words into the most powerful productivity tool by combining large language models (LLM) with your data in Microsoft Graphs and Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft's chairman and CEO Satya Nadella said that the launch of Microsoft 365 Copilot marks the next major step in the evolution of how we interact with computing, which will fundamentally change the way we work and unlock a new wave of productivity growth. With Microsoft 365 applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more, Microsoft 365 Copilot unleashes creativity, unlocks productivity, and up-level skills. The Copilot system puts Microsoft in a unique position to provide enterprise-ready AI. It goes beyond AI's ChatGPT embedded in Microsoft 365. Using the power of LLMs, including GPT-4, it combines the power of Microsoft 365 apps with your business data in the Microsoft Graph, now available through natural language access to everyone. Copilot combines Microsoft's comprehensive security, compliance, and privacy approach, which protects tenant, group, and individual data, with apps million used daily, enabling new skills to be learned. Let's see what more Microsoft has to offer us in the future. Well, that's we all have for today. We hope we have added some value to your feed. If yes, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss out any updates from our end. Thanks for watching the video.